अस्सलाम वालेकुम। लागैट के लिए शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन एमसीक्यूज जो पास पेपर में पहले आ चुके हैं। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान 1973 वाज पब्लिश इन द ऑफिशियल गजट ऑन 23 मार्च 1973, 12 मार्च 1973, 12 अप्रैल 1973। नन ऑफ दीज करेक्ट आंसर 23 मार्च 1973। इट केम इन टू द फोर्स ऑन 23 मार्च 1973, 12 मार्च 1973, 14 अगस्त 1973। None of these correct answer 14 अगस्त 1973। Constitution consists of how many articles? 250, 280, 285। None of these correct answer 280, 280। How many schedule are including 6, 7, 8? None of these 7 schedule correct answer। First schedule deal with the laws exempted under Article 8, election of president, oath of office, legislative list correct answer legislative list। Second schedule deal with the law exempted under Article 8, election of president, oath of office, legislative list correct answer election of president। Third schedule deal with the law exempted under Article 8, election of president, oath, legislative list correct answer oath of office। Fifth schedule deal with the election of president, oath of office, legislative list, retirement term of judges correct answer। Which schedule deal were omitted by the 18th Amendment? 6, 7, both correct answer both। Objective resolution was passed in January 1949, February 1949, March 1949 correct answer March 1949। According to the objective resolution, sovereignty belonged to Public of Pakistan, Allah Almighty, Government of Pakistan correct answer Almighty Allah। Authority in Pakistan is enjoyed by the people within limits prescribed by Allah as trust, right, duty, none correct answer trust। Parliament Majlis-e-Shura is established under Article 46, 41, 50, 57, 50। President is provided under Article 41, 47, 58, 60 correct answer 41। A money bill can be introduced only in the Senate, National Assembly, both, none of these correct answer National Assembly। The Senate consists of how many members? 6, 3, 8, 7, 100, 104 correct answer 104 104 member। President take an oath of office before the Parliament, Chief Justice, PM, Senate, Chief Justice के सामने oath लेगा President। Under Article 58, the President can dissolve National Assembly. This power originally came through which amendment? 5th, 8th, 9th, both A and B, both A and B। Law inconsistent with the fundamental right are valid, graceless, void, suspended, subject to review correct answer void। No person shall be deprived of life or liberty except in accordance with the law। This is which article? 8, 9, 10, 10A correct answer is 9 article